Hey guys, let's dive deeper into visibility today. How are you showing up in your business consistently and getting visible? How are people getting to know about you and your brand? What's happening on your social media? How are you connecting with people? And if you're not doing that, why not? Why are not you getting out there and connecting with people? If you don't tell people who you are and what you do, they're not going to know about you and your business, right? You're not going to connect with them. You're not going to develop a relationship, and you're not going to have a successful business. So if you truly want to help people, you have to know that visibility is part of the package. You have to show up, you have to meet people, you have to develop those relationships. So tell me, are you doing it? If you are, is it working out for you, whatever activity you chose? Or if you're not doing it, why are you not doing it? Why are you not showing up? What is keeping you stuck in that place of not showing up for your audience and for your business? Let me know. I'm here to help you. I shared the other day that there's an amazing event coming up that it's called Be Camera Ready, that I'm going to be a part of, that Heather, the amazing Heather Chaplin, is putting together. I'll leave some links for you because it's free, and it's all about getting camera ready to be visible in your business. So yeah, let me know below. Let me know what's working out for you, and if it's not working out for you, or you're not putting the time to do this, why are you not doing it? What is stopping you from getting out there and connecting with your people? I cannot wait to hear from you. Bye guys.